want to open now. Can we request Dr. Anthony and Angel to please come on stage here and to please help Mr. David Manikis and Ms. Shara to award Mr. and Miss Photogenic. We would like to acknowledge also Miss Mercy, one of our judges for this afternoon. Engineer, Mercy Padolina. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the Mr. Photogenic of this afternoon. Friends, candidate number. It's number 9, Artin. Congratulations, Artin. You are the Mr. Photogenic of Images 09. And now let's move to the Miss Photogenic. Shara. Shara is the Miss Photogenic last year, right? Here she is, number 2, Miss Rachel and Polito. Congratulations, Artin and Rachel. Thank you so much, Aeons, for choosing the Mr. and Miss Photogenic. Mr. and Miss Aeons for this afternoon. And to the angel of Dr. Anthony, our congratulations. You deserve a round of applause. Thank you so much, Brunette and Gia. And thank you, Shara and David. Now, it's about time to reveal the Mr. and Miss Sophie for this afternoon. May I call Mr. Paulo Caba and Miss Angela Fileo Ferrer to award the Mr. and Miss Sophie for this afternoon. Thank you so much. Yeah, let's give it to Mr. David. Because they're now handing the prizes. The prizes are now with us, care of Dr. Anthony Manchas-Umali. So let's give a round of applause to Dr. Anthony Manchas-Umali. Friends, here they are. Mr. Locava and Ms. Angela Fileo-Ferrer, please join us here on stage to receive gift packs from Sophie. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the winners. For the female candidate, our Miss Sophie is candidate number. It's number 6, Miss And our Mr. Sophie for this afternoon's images, ladies and gentlemen. Number 12, Mr. Christian Diege with this. Congratulations, Christian and Rachel, our Mr. and Miss Sophie 09 of Images. Thank you, Ms. Angela, and thank you, Paolo Cava, one of the Images model of 08. Now, it's really amazing because the winner of this will receive 10,000 scholarship from his art gallery. And to receive a sash also, we would like to acknowledge Mr. Enrique Ocampo also here right now on stage. Brother, here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, can we call the founder and the president of his art gallery? Let's give a warm applause to Miss Kathy Sangil, to be joined by Mr. David Manikis. So Kathy, would you like to read what is there in the check?
I'm giving this to Mr. Lee's Art Gallery and the other one to Miss Lee's Art Gallery. Written there, printed order also, and then 10,000 pesos for Images Gallery.
Thank you so much, Ms. Kathy, and all the 8 finalists will also receive a scholarship from his art gallery. Ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. His Art Gallery 09 is candidate number for the male number 1, Mr.